In this short tour, we are going to look at the main parts of the BigQuery interface so you know exactly where everything is before we start writing queries. First, in the center of the screen, we have the code editor. This is where you will type and run your SQL queries. You can open multiple tabs if you want to work on more than one query at the same time, and you will also see buttons at the top to run a query, save it, or share it. This will be the main workspace throughout the course. Now let's move to the left-hand panel. At the top is your project. Inside a project, you can have one or more datasets, and each dataset contains multiple tables. For example, here you can see a dataset with tables for orders, products, and users. This is how BigQuery organizes your data, and it is important to know the hierarchy, project, dataset, then table. When you click on a table, you can explore its structure. You will see a list of fields along with their data types, such as integer, string, or timestamp. This is useful for understanding what kind of information is stored and how you can query it. Knowing the schema before writing queries helps avoid mistakes. Finally, let's look at the tabs across the top of the table view. The most important one is the Preview tab, which lets you quickly see a sample of the rows in the table without writing a query. There are also tabs for details and schema, but Preview is especially handy when you are exploring data for the first time. And that's it. You now know where to write queries, how to navigate your project's datasets and tables, and how to quickly check the details and preview of your data. With this foundation, you are ready to dive in and start working with SQL inside BigQuery.